So I'm here at the Hampton Pier with Brad Roswell, the member for Sandringham, to make a very important announcement today that a Liberal National Party in government would rebuild this important pier, a pier that's been here for 130 years. Brad?
For 18 months now, this pier has been closed, and there have been so many community groups who have raised this with me, more than 4,000 petition signatures. Our commitment, David, is really clear. An elected Liberal Nationals government will not only rebuild but reopen Hampton Pier for our community.